Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the file and environment so your changes are accurate. Open the RAW or highest quality file and make sure your monitor is calibrated and set to a neutral profile. Once done, apply a modest exposure lift, around 10 to 30%, to reveal detail. That gives you room to refine. You should also check histogram bounds so highlights don't clip and enable clipping warnings. These initial moves set a controlled baseline for more precise brightness work. Next, you refine brightness with targeted tools that preserve contrast and color. Use a curves adjustment to lift mids while pinning shadows and pulling back extreme highlights. This keeps depth. Then create local masks and dodge only the regions needing more light, typically between 10 and 40% strength, so you avoid flattening the image. Make complementary color balance tweaks to prevent washout. Increasing luminance often shifts saturation, so correct tint as you go. Keep toggling your before slash after to judge progress. To finish, consolidate your edits and prepare the file for output. Apply targeted sharpening and then noise reduction. Do noise work after brightening because lift can amplify grain. Soft proof or export a test at intended bit depth so you preserve tonal range. If you encounter clipped highlights or loss of detail, reduce global exposure slightly and use highlight recovery or blended layers to restore detail rather than pushing values further. If colors shift, revisit local masks and adjust saturation or color temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.